For me, going to graduate school really helped because when I guess even going back before graduate school, when I first went into college, I came from this town in Ohio where it was, where the idea was, are you going to be a doctor, a banker, a lawyer? It was very stereotypical career aspirations. And so I moved to the West Coast, and I started this job in biotech, and but I was still limited exposure. And so I thought, okay, I'm a scientist, I do bench work. And so going to grad school really opened up the realm of what kind of possibilities there were in science, especially for someone who didn't want to pursue the bench science work. So I was introduced to people who worked in regulatory affairs at biotech companies, and people who were science writers, and people who did marketing and sales at science companies, and people who were lawyers who did business development for biotech companies. So it was just really an exposure thing. It just really opened up the door of seeing that there were so many other career opportunities in science that weren't bench work. And then they required us to do this internship as part of the program. And so that really, really increased the exposure, because then I was inside a company, and I saw what was going on, and I had the opportunity to try out the type of job that I thought I wanted to have. And then, luckily enough, they hired me on full time, and it went on from there. So yeah, without grad school, I wouldn't have had that door open or that exposure to things.